How are you guys? It's Aditya Khurana and you are watching Study Hours. And now we are starting with the class 9th and 10th basic mathematics. Basic maths. And we are studying in this the beginning of mathematics from natural numbers to irrational numbers and logarithm and etc. First of all, we have the natural natural numbers. So, you know about natural numbers? Natural numbers are those excluding zero, all other are natural numbers. And this is a concept behind the natural number. जैसे कि नेचुरल नंबर वो होते हैं जो हमें नेचर ने दिए. सबसे पहले जो नंबर निकले थे वो नेचुरल नंबर थे. जैसे कि जब आदिवासी लोग हुआ करते थे पहले, वो जब कोई फ्रूट्स लेके आते तो उनकी गिनती करते थे, तो वो सबसे पहले इन्हीं काउंटिंग से करते थे. तो नेचर से ये हमें सबसे पहले ये नंबर्स मिले. फिर उसके बाद जैसे जैसे आवश्यकता आई उस प्रकार से इन्वेंशन होती गई नंबर्स की और मैथ्स की डेवलपमेंट होती गई. तो इसमें जो so again examples of natural numbers we have 1 2 3 4 5 till infinity. And then we have this is very easy topic, natural number. And now we have whole numbers. It is almost about natural numbers, but it has zero. Including zero, it become whole numbers. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 etc. till the infinity. And now we move on to the third one. Third one is integers. The fact is that uh, when development of this mathematics grew up in the coming years, the need for the negative numbers arises. And so the invention of integers takes place. And whosoever is not unable to understand the integer, so what this plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 plus minus 4 etc. The fourth number is R rational numbers. So rational numbers are those which can be written in the form of p by q. p by q के फॉर्म में इनको लिखा जाता है, जैसे कि वी आर डिस्कसिंग 11/5, और जैसे अगर हम बात करें 22/7, पी बाई क्यू के फॉर्म में, सॉरी, by 5, 22/7 is a pi, so it is a irrational number, so sorry for that. Here is that 5. Any doubt till here, you can comment me in the comment section. We covered the 4 parts: integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, and now rational numbers. Now we start with the fourth. That's fifth one. It's fifth. Sorry. Fifth है irrational number. Irrational number. So irrational number are those which are not written in the p by q form, and they are not written in the p by q form, and they are repeating and recurring terms in mathematics, we can say. For example, just a minute. So for example, we have the pi is equals to 22/7 is a irrational number. Epsilon you will be known, or you can be find it in the 11th class. It is also a irrational number. 2 point, and when we divide this 22/7, we got a value, never ending value. So for example, a simple value 10/3, and when we find this answer, we got 3.3333. So it is recurring. It is a rational number. So we have covered now irrational number, and it is a tough one than the last 4 we have discussed. Now we have the trigonometry. We are not discussing the trigonometry as a whole, but I want to tell you the meaning of the term trigonometry. Trigonometry is usually to find trigonometry is used to find the sides, angles, and for this you will be studying class 10 chapter application of trigonometry and the introduction to trigonometry. And for example, this is theta, it's a, and it's b. For example, sine theta is equals to a upon b. So for example, we got this expression. There are total 6 expression for sine theta, cos theta, and the tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta, sec theta. So these are enable us to find the length of the sides without only we have to have one angle and one side, and we got the another side we want to find. So in details I will teach you the trigonometry chapter in a future. Maybe it's September month, but now till here we will start with the another logarithm. It's 6. Logarithm is a not for 10th, but for the students who are giving want to give NTSC examination. So for this, log is something. Before understanding the log, I want to tell you first the exponent. Exponent. Exponent we are taking is 6, and it is a part of your class 9th and 10th, and you already studied in the junior classes. So for example, x to the power something is equals to something. This is its basic form. This is its basic form. So example, uh, 8 to the power 2 is equals to 64, and it is the पावर. ये क्या है? पावर है, पावर है, ठीक है. 8 की पावर 2 लगाई तो 64 आ गया. ये क्या है? बेस है, बेस, ठीक है, ठीक है, बेस होता है. और बचपन में हमने पढ़ा होगा कि अगर बेस सेम हो तो पावर ऐड हो जाती है, प्लस हो जाती है ना. उसके लॉज भी हम अभी करने वाले हैं. Fuck. अगर पावर सेम हो, जैसे x की पावर a है कुछ और ब्रैकेट के बाहर में b लगा हुआ है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, x a b, ठीक है, पावर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाती है. x की पावर अगर a है, क्रॉस करके किसी के x की पावर b कर रखी है, तो पावर ऐड हो जाती है. और अगर डिवाइड करना हो एक्स की पावर ए है डिवाइडेड बाय एक्स की पावर बी। यहाँ मैं एक्स को लिख रहा हूँ क्योंकि एक्स बेस सेम है, बेस इज सेम, बेस इज सेम। देन एक्स a minus b. So we have concluded and when in the division we have, for example, when in the multiplication, or you have to understand the multiplication, division,